All eyes will be on Supreme Court Judge Philip Tunoi when he appears before the Special Committee of the Judicial Service Commission chaired by Professor Margaret Kobia, which is probing allegations of grand corruption that could have far-reaching implications on the highest court in the land. Tunoi spent the better part of Sunday with his legal team, fine-tuning the defense against allegations of pocketing 200 million shillings from Nairobi Governor Dr. Kidero to help him retain the city's top job. The affidavit sworn by Geoffrey Kiplagat, a man who claims to have brokered the $2 million bribe, threatening to end in shame Tunoi's 29-year career in the corridors of justice. The 72-year-old judge claims the graft allegations were a creation of some judges and senior lawyers eyeing his Supreme Court seat.
My accuser has been used by the persons who want to succeed me in the Supreme Court.
His main line of defense tomorrow will be to question the character of Kiplagat, whose allegations a week ago yet again raised questions on the judiciary's integrity and ability to dispense justice impartially, other than denying receiving a bribe from Dr. Kidero or any personal interaction with Kiplagat. Tunoi has maintained his predicament was politically instigated, a position he will be advancing tomorrow.
There is a political agenda to reform the Supreme Court so that in case of an election dispute in the presidency during next year's general elections, then they have a bench that they can control. Yes.
But as Tunoi and his legal team assemble to dismantle Kiplagat's graft allegations, the plot seemed to thicken, with senior counsel Ahmed Nasir Abdullahi taking to the social media with allegations that the bribe was 100 million shillings more than what has been in the public domain. Abdullahi claiming the bribe was shared among some Supreme Court judges, even as other members of the legal fraternity urged him to spill the beans. But according to Tunoi, the graft allegations were fueled by the succession battles in the judiciary.
But there are people who have been waiting to succeed me in the judiciary. They have even told me that I've delayed giving them a vacancy in the Supreme Court. They have assisted in the litigation against me about the retirement age. That is the case which I filed in the High Court and lost, and in the Court of Appeal.
Politicians joining in.
As we ask the judiciary to lead in terms of integrity, let us not see a lot of fixing around the Supreme Court. Na kwamba hiyo fixing, mtu anatafutiwa makosa ati ili aondolewe ile wakati ya Supreme Court petition kama itakuwa huko waweze kudetermine that outcome. We want to tell them, you will wait in the Supreme Court, we will win straight and square, and we will not need the intervention of the Supreme Court.
Sasa hii tunasikia Tunoi. Na sisi najua tutaanza kupiga hiyo goma, Tunoi aende. Na yule mwenye kupeana.
If the Special Committee finds there was evidence linking Tunoi to corruption and convenes the Judicial Service Commission to adopt its recommendation, then the judge will be suspended and a tribunal established by President Uhuru Kenyatta to probe him. Francis Gashuri, Sunday Live.